and verse 27. She looketh well to the ways of her household, and eateth not the bread of idleness. Join me as I demonstrate how to make homemade biscuits. This recipe is loaded with aged cheddar and fresh cracked black pepper. But of course, you can make it however you see fit and add things that your family likes. So, arise early and make a delicious recipe that the entire family will enjoy. Let's get cooking. And don't forget to visit the Daughters of Sarah website to grab that recipe. Shalom.
Talents. And that's what it's about. We come together. We learn the thing.
The truth is a war, brothers and sisters, okay?
It is shout out to the issue. And before I read your letters,
got my garment fitted. I'm on the floor, I hit it. I'm an Israelite, they get it. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa. Got my garment fitted. Whoa, whoa. I'm on the floor, I hit it. Whoa, whoa. I'm an Israelite, they get it. If it's too much for you, I advise you to stay home, man. Go and grab you a hobby. Whoa, whoa. Chemo, Sabi, friends, check. copies. The spirit of golly, heathen chosen of folly. Wait. Why am I even? A million ways I can flip that. Send me acting like that I need that. Temptation, I don't need that. What you throwing up really mean feedback. Trying to get the kingdom, man. Tell me where the keys at. Cut to him Joseph, spit him like Moses. Old Pharaoh, leave. Look at his poses, give him no roses. Old osmosis, let me free. Penny on the dollar, heathen with a collar. I went out father, you an imposter. Burn your cover, sending your father. Praise to the Abba, running back lava. You can run or you won't till the track out. It's televised, so you know we getting back down. Getting saved ain't something you should ask about. Now watch the chariot back out. If I'm trying to go to war, I'm with it. Got my garment fitted. I'm on the floor, I hit it. I'm an Israelite, they get it. Wanna go to war, with it. Got my garment fitted. I'm on the floor, I hit it. I'm an Israelite, they get it.
Need to make multiple budget-conscious meals at once? Let me show you how. It's really not too tough. Today I'm working with what's in my pantry, and I happen to have quinoa and black-eyed peas. So I've started those, and I'm seasoning them neutrally so I can manipulate them how I see fit. I happen to have a pack of chicken tenders, so I'm going to brown those up. I'm going to make a little pan gravy so that they can stay moist during reheat. And remember to cool your food before storing it. So now, here's my plan. A couple of plates are going to have the quinoa and beans as is with a little sauteed zucchini and the chicken diced with the gravy. And then a couple of plates are going to have some stuffed peppers and zucchini. Dice some peppers, onion, added cheese. I used a little bit of my quinoa, a different type of bean, and seasoned up the filling quite nicely. Oh, I put chicken in there too. I used that same filling to stuff the hollowed zucchini and peppers. Flash baked it for about 10 minutes, and boom, I have multiple meals ready to chill and refrigerate for a crazy day. Search your pantry and see what ingredients you can cross-utilize and transform.